pasaulinė pabėgėlių diena buvo sukurta tam, kad iš tikrųjų išvesti stiprybę ir viltį žmonių, kurie dėl įvairių priežasčių, dėl karo konflikto, persekiojimo ir smurto buvo priversti išvykti iš savo šalies. Bet taip pat jie ieško saugaus prieglobsčio ir nori atkurti savo gyvenimus kitur.
Hi everyone, my name is Mertad. I come from Afghanistan. My message to the world would be that there are so many things we do not know, especially about people and refugees, and the best we can do is to ask about their story. Culture, music, I think it is like one of the healthiest ways to bring people together from different places. Just like right now here, this band, we have people from Belarus, from, I don't know, Georgia, from Tatar people, Lithuania. So I think it brings people together, and that is, I think, one of the beauty of it.
I was born in mixed family, like half of my family was Muslim and half of my family Orthodox, even like also different ethnicities. So for me, we all the same, and that's the message, because we should live together in a peace. I don't know why people do some bad things to others, but we're all the same and we should live in a peace.
Every story, there is a person. And because behind every person, there is the whole world. And I think it's really important to discover this world.
Culture is what unites us and what makes us understand people with no words. So this is a tool of like music, art. So that's what actually creates a very important connection between people. So in my message to the world, just try and sing, learn different cultures, and be welcome. And I don't know, welcome and hug everybody.
Menų agentūra Artscape tiki, kad žmogui reikia daug daugiau, ne tik stogo, maisto. Kiekvienas iš mūsų ieško ryšio ir ieško būti pamatytas, išgirstas. Tai mūsų misija, kuri yra susijusi su pabėgėlių savaitė, yra kurti kartu, kuriant ir patiriant meną, pažinti viens kitą. Ir tikime, kad taip užsimezga ryšys, kuris yra transformatyvus ir kuris pakeičia kiekvieną iš mūsų ir tada bendruomenės.